Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today let's read non-finite verbs with examples. Finite verbs. So you know what is non-finite verb? What are non-finite verbs? You know. Non-finite verbs are the one that do not change according to the time and tense. We know finite verbs are the one which change according to the time and tense. Okay. So these are of three types. The first one is gerund, and first one is gerund, second one is participles, and third one is to infinitive. So let's see with examples, definitions and examples. Okay, we'll see the definitions and examples quickly. Okay, I'll not take much of your time, and within no time I'll make it clear for you. Okay, so what are gerund? Gerund are the verbs. Okay, they are the verbs that end in ing, and act as noun in the sentence. Okay, let's see the examples. I have always enjoyed sleeping. I have always enjoyed sleeping. This verb is acting as object here, and this is the gerund here, and act it is noun. Okay. Another example. Second example. Walking has many benefits. Many benefits. Walking has many benefits. This walking is acting as a noun here, and this is a verb. You can see this is a verb, and it is acting as noun here. Okay, this is a gerund. Okay, so more examples you can write. Okay, reading is my hobby. Reading is my hobby. This verb is the noun here, acting as noun, but this is a verb but acting as noun with ing. So like this you can write many more examples of your own. Now let's see participles. Okay, participles are the verbs that act as adjective. Okay, the verbs that act as adjective. Okay, adjective in the sentence. The verb that act as adjective, remember this one, this is very important. That verb that act as adjective, is it possible that verbs are acting as adjective? Yes, it is possible. They are of three types. Participles are of three types. That is present participles. Present participles. So these are the verbs with ing. Verbs with ing. See the example here. Example. Okay. He plays with a singing or the speaking doll. Speaking doll. So the speaking doll, this is acting as adjective describing the noun here. Okay. So now let's see this is the first one of the first kind of participles. Okay. The second one is past participles. Past participles. Okay. Participles. Second one is past participles. We'll see the example. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, you have finished writing. All right. See the past participles, the verbs, the V3 verbs. Okay, they are the V3 verbs. V3 verbs, and they act as the adjective in the sentence. How? There is a broken chair. Broken chair in the room. In the room. Okay. So another, I have a damaged phone. Okay, so you can see this is a damaged phone. Describing damaged is describing the phone. Here broken is describing the chair. Broken chair. So the word that describes the noun is called adjective. So here the verb is doing the work of an adjective describing another, describing the noun. So it is working as the adjective here. Now let's see the third type of participles, that is perfect participles. What kind of participles? Perfect participles. I hope you are able to understand. Perfect participles. Okay. Perfect participles. These are the verbs that go with having. Having plus verb 3. Having plus verb 3. Okay. And this is the actions. They represent the action just before the main action. So this is the action just before the action. This is the action just before the main action. Okay, just before the main action. So we can give you example here. Example: having taken his meal, he went to work. Okay, after taking meal, you can also write this also can be written after taking meal or having taken his meal. That this action is over. Okay, this action is over. Okay, finished action. Okay, so now I hope you have understood. You can see more examples. Having completed, having completed the task. Having completed the task, he is relaxing. He is relaxing. Okay. So did you understand the participles? First one we said gerund. Then the participles. Participles are of three types. I told you these are present participles, past participles, and perfect participles. Perfect participle. Now we'll see the third type, that is your to infinitive. Okay, to infinitive. To infinitive. So what are the two infinitive? These are the verbs that act as noun. So they act as noun, adjective, and adverb in the sentence. Adverb in the sentence. Okay. So they go with this verb, go with 2 plus var 1. 2 plus var 1. Okay. He comes here. Comes here to meet me. He comes here to meet me. Okay. To err is human nature. Human nature. So you can say to err to mate. Okay, so these are acting as the noun and adjective and adverb in the sentence. Okay, so this is acting as the noun here. So my dear friends, so we have discussed successfully the non-finite verbs, okay, and the functions of the non-finite verbs. And again I am telling you that non-finite verbs are of three types: gerund, participles, and two infinitives. Gerund, participles, and two infinitive. Two infinitive. Okay, and two infinitive. Two infinitive. Okay, here participles are of three types. This is present, present participles, past participles, and perfect participles. Perfect participles. Okay, so these are acting as the adjective here. Okay, verb with ing here acting as adjective, verb with verb 3 acting as adjective, having plus verb 3. Okay, so this all acting as adjective. Okay, so this verbs acting as adjective here, so we can write here adjective. Okay, so here, first one let us write gerund. These are the verb with ing. All the verbs with ing acting as noun in the sentence. Noun in the sentence. So these are the verb with 2 plus verb 1, and they act as noun, adjective, and adverb. Adverb in the sentence. My dear friends, I think your doubts are clear about the non-finite verbs. And if you have any doubts, you can write your doubts in the comment box. I will try to make them clear for you. Thank you so much for watching.